What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. So today's video is basically going to be me unboxing my American Express Platinum business card and showing you guys what comes in this box when you get it. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and open this business Platinum card. Before I go ahead and start opening up this box, if you guys would give this video a thumbs up so that way it can get to the top of the YouTube page. Let more people see this video and actually my channel. And if you guys are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Really does help me out and pushes me to push out more content. So feel free to do both of those things. Alright, so I applied for this card on a Tuesday night around 10 o'clock or so. I was approved for it, and then by Friday I had this card in my possession, which actually is really fast for credit cards. Usually, like, my personal credit cards take like a week, 2 weeks to get here or something like that. But this actually came pretty fast. Well, I think I know the reason why is because I got 3 months to spend 15 grand to get my sign-up bonus. But I'll talk about that on a different video in a review or whatever after I use this card for a while. But this is just the unboxing. So this came in a FedEx envelope, overnight envelope, and this is what was in it. Pretty nice little box. Weird material. Don't really like it, the feeling. But let's go ahead and open this. So basically, first thing you'll see is your Platinum card in this nice little cubby hole or whatever you want to do that holds the card. And you got a little note that says, "Welcome to Business Platinum. Unlock your premium benefits for your work and life." Nice. Then behind here, you basically got your American Express envelope with a bunch of paperwork that don't really care about. But here's the card. It's pretty nice. And for those of you guys that don't know, this is a metal credit card. Alright. It's pretty cool. So we got the credit card, all the numbers and everything's on the back. And now, basically under here, you get some more paperwork or cards or what. I don't know what these are. So basically, you got these cards that you get. This is Unlock Your Potential. And this basically has confirming your card and then things that you can enroll in, which is Priority Pass, airline credit, global entry or TSA pre-check, and then employee cards, which probably log in here later today and actually sign up for all of those except the employee card. Next, we get up to $200 in statement credits for Dell. So I can get $100 statement credits between January and June if I buy something on Dell, and $100 statement credits between July and December. Don't know if that'll ever get used, but that's always nice. Then we got a $200 airline fee credit. So basically this is if you get any incidental fees such as checked bags and in-flight refreshments that are charged by the airline to your Business Platinum card. You basically get that back up to $200. Then we got 1,200 airport lounges in 130 countries. So I can enter about 1,200 airport lounges across 130 countries, as well as the Centurion Lounge, which is an American Express only lounge. And the International American Express lounges, as well as our partner networks, Delta Sky Club and Priority Pass Select lounges. Nice. Next one we got is the 5-time membership reward points. So basically, if I book anything through AMEX travel, so yeah, basically if I book flights and hotels on AMEX travel, I'll get 5 times membership rewards points. And then if I use membership rewards points to pay for part or an eligible fare and get 35% of those points back, up to 500,000 points per year. Nice. So that's if I upgrade with my points, I'll get about 35% of my points back. Next card we got is the Fine Hotel Resorts Program, the Hilton Honors Gold status, and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status. So I guess that just has something to do with some statuses or something. Don't really know. Then we got the 1.5 time membership rewards points on $5,000 or more. So if I go put a dirt bike on this, which I probably will end up doing, I should get 1.5 times membership reward points. Nice. And then we also get return protection. So basically, if I buy something and the seller won't take it back up to 90 days from date of purchase, AMEX may refund the full purchase price, including shipping and handling, up to $300 per item, up to a maximum of $1,000 per calendar year. So this card does have a lot of awesome benefits and a lot of awesome stuff that it offers, which after I figure out everything with this card, I will do a actual review on how the card functions and how much I like the card. So that's basically the unboxing of this card and everything that comes in the box. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does really help get this video pushed to the top of the page. And if, like I said, if you guys are not already subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, I will see you guys later.